What is up, techies? Vicky from the Elementon back with another video. It's been a long time since I made videos because I was quite stuck up with my academics. Now it's all over, I've got nothing but time. But before making any other videos, I need a space. A space that's compact, easy to access, and more importantly, inspirational to make videos. So I have this old room here in which I used to make videos. So I've spent one day to convert that boring space into this one. So welcome to my new office. Before getting started, I would like to give you a walkthrough of how I made it. Let's drop in that letterbox and let's get started. Alright, we are right into the studio. Over the right I have this room. It doesn't have anything, just my old stuff. And then this old CPU, I'm not using that now. It has become very slow. It has a Pentium processor with its motherboard, 512 megabytes of graphic card, 1 gigabyte of RAM. No hard disk though. The hard disk inside the CPU is used for another purpose. I'll show you that in a minute. But right now I do not know what to do with this CPU, so if you have any idea, then please drop them on the comments below. That is a skateboard. I'm not using that now. A fan and two cupboards. One is empty and the other has all the boxes that had been left after unboxing stuff. What else? And the monitor, the keyboard and the mouse of this CPU is right inside that cupboard. And then there's a light setup which was made by me using plastic pipes, 2 fluorescent bulbs, an umbrella and a sandbag. So the light from this fluorescent tube is not so bright, so this kind of pumps up the brightness. And then the couch, a table and a speaker. The woofer for that speaker is right below the couch on the other side, so when the music has some good bass, the couch kind of vibrates. Another good thing about this couch is this part can be extended here and this can be converted into a bed. And then the main switchboard, nothing here, nothing on this side, just my bags. So let me pump up the ISO. Okay, so that is a camera bag, this is my laptop bag. A clock here that's not running, I should probably change the batteries. And then right here, 2 shelves that's been mounted on this wall. One has a cup that's a birthday gift from a very special one. It has my vector art on it. And then these earphones, the headphones, ATH M20X from Audio Technica. So these are studio monitors. I use them to edit my audio. So this video, the audio from this video is also edited using these earphones. And then a wall decor made by myself, black chart paper, yellow LED strip, Elementon logo. And then here we have some books and a Bose SoundLink Bluetooth speaker. This is a window, natural light, and then here, that is my workspace. So the laptop is Dell Inspiron 15 5558, good one. And then the mouse, actually the products which I show you here has separate review videos for them, so if you want you can check them, links in the description. So So this is a printer, HP inkjet. It prints both in black and white and color. And then there's a USB hub down there and an external hard disk. So the hard disk from that CPU was made use as an external hard disk here. So that's an enclosure, 500 gigabytes. It mostly has all my the video files which I use to edit videos. Okay, let me just move the screen. Yeah, much better. And then there's a plant. I believe that would grow like this and reach out of the window. Okay, and then we have two phones inside. One is the Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini and the Nexus 5. So both are my phones. Now it's broken, and the Nexus 5 was one of my favorite phone. Then my trusty knife, torches, USB hub, a small camera from Samsung that's not working now, and then two boxes that has batteries in them, and this has cables. So the extra cables like the HDMI, the USB, the earphones, all are present inside. So this is the chair in which I used to sit and edit my videos, and this is the table. From now on I'll be sitting in this chair, leaning on that table, and the camera will be on that side. So to give you some explanation videos, I'll be using this table. So that's my phone. Charger is down that red color cable, and then that's a roller skating. No, I'm just kidding. That's the slider, a cheap one. And then my mic, my tripod, the base for my plant, some LED lights, to give you that colored feel. If I shoot from here, I'll get those colors on the wall. That's it. A frame with some abstract art, a bulb. Okay, that's pretty much it. So that's a wrap. Every nook and corner of my studio just for you. So this is where I'll be shooting, editing and uploading my videos hereafter. I hope you like it, and if you did, then drop a like below. Please do comment on what I have changed in this space, because I'm not sure if this is a great setup. So any comments will be appreciated. Then be sure to subscribe, because I have a lot of content being stacked up and I'm in the process of making them, but I wanted you to subscribe so that and importantly press that bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. You will be the first to get notified and you will be the first to watch them. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. That's basically it. Keep supporting. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.